Turning now to our first alert weather, taking a look at this time lapse of the marine layer taken from our camera on top of Mount Diablo. Look at that. Wow. It looks like waves.
That's so cool. And it's all because of the mountains. I mean,
Yeah.
this is literally a river of fog. And it just reminds you that the atmosphere, it is a fluid. It moves like one. Oh, look
Carl
at
was
that.
very busy this morning.
He
This
was.
is about 11 this morning, and so that fog pushing its way inland.
And then peeling back very gradually.
That means it's just getting cold.
Yeah, you felt the chill. And without the clouds, or with the clouds, you don't see the sun and you see a lot of those cooler temperatures. And the reason that we're definitely feeling cooler today, now I have a time lapse to show you all, not nearly as cool as the one on top of the mountain, but hey, this is what most of us' views were today. Passing clouds, a few peaks of sunshine, but it definitely wasn't a sunny afternoon by any means across the Bay Area. And the reason is because of this large storm system that I showed you earlier. It's bringing rain up to our north, and as it heads further south, it's going to continue to cool us down through tomorrow, bring us some windy conditions, and maybe even a little bit of drizzle. So let's break down exactly what we can expect, because again, it was a lot cloudier to start off the day today than it was yesterday, and that widespread windy weather is going to move overhead. This is tomorrow afternoon. Wind gusts are expected to be upwards of 35 to 40 mile an hour all along the coast, especially from Half Moon Bay up to Point Reyes. You might even see a 45+ mile an hour wind gust, and that even includes downtown San Francisco and the highest elevations in those passes. Farther inland you go, 25 to 35 miles an hour, but it is still going to be a bit chillier out there tomorrow because of the widespread cloud coverage and the potential for a little bit of rain. The areas that you'll see in blue over the Santa Cruz Mountains, this will be 7, 8 a.m. Again, very light drizzle, maybe a hundredth of an inch, but it's something to talk about. Maybe an isolated drizzle over the Santa Clara Hills as well, and then they'll be continuing to dry out by the later parts of tomorrow morning. Then by tomorrow afternoon, the Central Valley is going to be dealing with maybe a little bit of rain and potentially an isolated shower moving over our inland East Bay communities. Places like Fairfield, it is definitely possible to see a 1/10 of an inch of rain tomorrow. It is not going to be heavy rainfall. It is not going to be long lasting, but it's really just going to be those Central Valley communities and then maybe those most inland communities. Again, that will be tomorrow afternoon and evening. This is waking up early Wednesday morning, where our last push of potential moisture, again, max totals are going to be 1/100 of an inch. So it's really not going to be anything too crazy, too impressive, but that last push of moisture early Wednesday morning and then drying out and clearing up by Wednesday afternoon as a warming trend will be heading our way. So through tomorrow, it's going to be chilly, it's going to be breezy, and it might even be a little bit drizzly to start off our day. Coastal communities, highs are only going to be in the upper 50s to low 60s, inland areas, low 70s out there max. But then look at what happens by Wednesday. You'll be seeing those high temperatures warming back up across our inland areas. You'll be seeing the return of the mid-70s for places like Fairfield over to Concord, maybe Livermore. While the coast, you're still going to be in the low 60s. But overall, there is going to be a warming and a drying trend heading our way by the later parts of the upcoming week and into the weekend. So it's all location dependent for this time of year, but the winds are going to be the thing that our eyes will be closest on through tomorrow. They will be breezy Wednesday, but not windy by any means, and then continuing to calm down, allowing our temperatures to warm up by the weekend and into next week. So there is going to be a big change of pace next week, a lot more widespread 80s across our inland communities, but we do have a couple more days of 70s to get through. But honestly, it is going to feel pretty nice out there. Kind of just depends on where you're located though, because inland areas, sunny skies, low 70s, that's comfortable for this time of year. It's just the breezes that you're going to have to deal with tomorrow, and then the heat will begin to build by the later parts of the weekend and into next week, starting off June on a sunny and warm note for most of the Bay. That even includes the coast. But again, if you live along the coast, you got to get through a couple of days of chillier, windier, cloudier conditions. Back to you.